Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do nonlinear systems solved by graphing. If you've completed the intro video, then today's lesson will be a lot easier for you. So in this lesson, you may round your values to 2 decimal places. Example 1. Using a graphing calculator, solve the system and sketch your solution. You can use whatever graphing calculator you want. I'm going to use Desmos. I have it on my phone, but you can go to your computer as well, desmos.com. So here's our system right here. We plug it into our calculator, we get the parabola like this, and then y equals x plus 3 like that. We got our intersection point A, negative 2.44 x value, y value is 0.56, right? So you see 1, 2, and a bit, and then up 0.56 like that. Our other solution B, 1.44, so you see it's 1 and a little bit to get at 1.44, and then the y value is 4.44, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little bit like that. And so these two solutions are the intersection points of the two graphs. Okay, B. Here we have a parabola and then another one. So x squared minus 4 is this one here, and then here's the other one. We find our solutions to be this point A and this point B like that. So negative 1, negative 3, and B is 1.5, negative 1.75. Right, so it's really easy using a graphing calculator. Okay, practice number 1. Using a graphing calculator, solve the system and sketch your solution, A and B. Go ahead and pause the video and answer that. Okay, we're back. So we have our linear function and our quadratic function like that. These are the intersection points, A and B. A is negative 1.30, comma 3.61, like that. That's our A value. B, 2.3, right? So we go 1, 2, and a little bit to get B. Negative 3.61, 1, 2, 3, and a little bit to get that. And so that is our first graph. Okay, second graph. Two parabolas, first one, second one, like that. Solution is right there, A, so 0.5 comma negative 0.75. And that's it. It's that easy. I'll see you guys in the next video.